So let's do a quick analysis of this statement attributed to Universe boss Chris Gayle on his opting out of this year's Caribbean Premier League, saying that due to the lockdown, he was not able to meet up with his family who are in St. Kitts while he has been in Jamaica. So he needed a break to spend time with his young family. Now, first of all, anytime I hear a professional sportsman or woman say they want to spend more time with them family, me take it with a grain of salt. Generally, that is a cliche used to cover the real issues. In this case, for example, the CPL is now scheduled from mid-August to early September. That's a duration of 3 to 4 weeks. Are we to understand that the Universe boss could not find time to spend with his family after the 3-week tournament? Or with the borders opening up now, even before the tournament? Of course, as a senior pro at this stage of his career, he can decide to play or not to play. And whether the reason is actually family, or him still vexed about not being retained by the Jamaica Followers, or it was the 30% pay cut, or concerns about COVID-19, or him just can't bother, or a combination of all these things. At Chris Gayle's age and stage, he has earned the right to make this kind of decision. Universe boss, up here, sir. Up here, boss. I don't mean a time up, but way up. You think up, boss. Let me carry it here. Up, boss, way up.